Alright, hey YouTube. So today we're going to be making some ribeye steaks. I got some 16-ounce ribeyes here. And Andrew is the chef. He's going to be making it. Alright, so what seasonings are we going to be using today?
I got some black peppercorns here. Salt, of course. We have some garlic cloves, Worcestershire sauce. I'm also going to put a little bit of turmeric in there. Then we've got our cayenne pepper, our paprika, and some garlic powder.
Alright, and don't forget that butter, baby. We need that butter. Alright.
So first I'm going to start by grinding up the peppercorns. I find that using whole peppercorns is better. It produces more flavor than purchasing the ones that are already pre-grinded.
See me, I'm lazy. I'll just grab some black pepper. But, you know, he extra.
More flavor this way.
Yeah, I'm not.
Alright.
That black pepper smells strong.
Add some salt.
Some salt. Salt it up. Salt it up.
So you can put, I would say, more salt than you would normally on these, because once they hit the pan, a lot of that's just going to come right off. So it's not going to be as salty as you think it would be.
Yeah, but we're not going to use too much salt because I'm trying to live long. I don't, you know, too much salt is not good for you. So we're going to use just enough.
Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to put a little cayenne pepper on there.
Because we need that spice. That spice.
Some paprika. Some garlic powder.
Do you always like season both sides of your steak?
Yeah, sometimes what I actually like to do is to add extra seasoning to one side and then kind of like flip them over and then rub them together if I'm feeling lazy. But I'm going to do both sides today.
Okay, and we actually have one bone in and one boneless. So, well, this is the boneless one and this is the bone in. But they're 16 ounces. You see how thick that is? Look at that.
Alright, now for a little Worcestershire.
See, when I usually use Worcestershire, I usually put it on in the pan, but I guess you could season it with it too. Rub that steak. Rub that steak. Rub that steak.
Alright. I'll put a little bit of turmeric in there.
And what we're going to have with this steak, we're going to make some mashed potatoes, some asparagus, and probably a little bit of gravy. Oh, and some shrimp. Yeah, can't wait.
Alright. I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing again. I'm gonna put just enough on this side.
Just
because salt will kill you, apparently.
Salt will kill you. #1 killer of black people. Salt. And we use garlic powder, but we do use fresh garlic as well. But you know, you need a little bit of garlic powder so you can have that garlic taste.
Going to get some more turmeric. Alright. I'm going to work your side now.
Alright guys, so we're gonna warm up the pan and then we're gonna show you how this baby is gonna turn out. Alright? Be right back. Alright guys, so we are back. That oil is getting hot. We use some, what do we use that? Some vegetable oil?
Here's some vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil. We got the potatoes in here. We're gonna make some mash and we got some shrimp.
Okay.
So how do you know when it's the perfect time to put your steak?
So what you want to listen for is a sizzle.
Ooh! Y'all hear that? Look at that. So we're using a cast iron pan. We're gonna make one steak at a time. We don't want to crowd the plate. Well, we can't really crowd it because you can't even fit both of them in here because these babies is big. But yeah, so that one. So how long would you put that on one side?
Maybe 4 minutes.
Okay, 4 minutes.
Long enough to form a crust and then flip it over.
Okay. So we don't like our steaks. We don't like our steaks well done. We don't like our steaks medium rare. We like it medium, like medium well. Medium. That's what we like, babe. Medium well or medium.
Medium.
Medium. Okay. I actually like mine's a little bit more medium than he does, but like medium well. Actually, no, it's not medium well, just medium. But yeah, we're gonna cook this for 4 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it over, and then we're gonna come back and show you that sear. It's alright. I was being dramatic. It's alright. Imagine that though. Stuffing your juicy steak and you just burn your whole body. So when do you add the garlic and your butter? When do you add that?
About a minute after I flip it.
Also after 1 more minute. We got the asparagus in the oven. Don't sleep on putting your asparagus in the oven. You just put it in the oven, put some olive oil down and some garlic, salt, maybe a little black pepper. Put it in the oven for about 10 minutes and you have the perfect asparagus. I always put mine in the oven. Alright, so we smashing down some garlic. Getting some butter in there. Yeah, baby. Now it's time to baste that baby. Thank you. Do it again. I want to do it. Like, got attached to that thumbnail. Now, how long would you cook this for again?
Probably another minute or so.
Right. And are you gonna put these in the oven?
This one, no.
You're not gonna put this in the oven?
No.
Oh, so this one is made to perfection?
Yeah.
So we're gonna sear this one and put this one in the oven for a little while. How come?
Well, this one we want to cook it a little bit longer. Probably closer to a medium well. Sometimes when you leave the steak on the stove for too long, it starts to burn. So finishing off in the oven is a good way to do it sometimes.
Okay. Well, we'll be back with the finishing touches. We're gonna go ahead and finish this mash and make these shrimp, and we'll be right back. All right. So now we're putting this is the boneless one, right?
Mm-hmm.
The boneless one. Yeah. We're using the same oil. Now we're gonna let that sear. Flip that over and we'll be right back. Alright guys. So now we're going to flip the boneless steak.
I want to stand back.
Yeah, let me stand back because I don't want you to burn me. That is a perfect sear. Are you gonna add butter to this one?
Yep.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna add some butter, give it that savory taste. Yeah, I'm making a YouTube video. Alright, love you, bye. And this is the one you're going to put in the oven for a little while because this one is a little bigger and it's going to be for me and my friends. And we like our steak a little bit more medium. How long would you put this in the oven for? About 5 minutes?
Yeah, probably 5-6 minutes.
Yeah, not too long because I still want it to be tasting fried. Alright guys, so we're gonna make some mash and asparagus, and we'll be right back. Now we're gonna slice this up. Look at all that steak juice. Alright, now we got that all sliced up. Alright, so we're gonna try this steak. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share, and like. Oh, did I say that right? Like, share, subscribe. Bye guys. Okay guys, we are finished. This is Andrew's plate. Don't that look good?